chorus all 3 years, and she has participated in our musical every year. Papuri will attend the University of Pittsburgh, where she will major in political science. Please join me in welcoming Papuri Magno.
It's a common misconception that legacy is individual, that a single person or a single event has to be the catalyst for changing the course of one's life. But what are we if not part of a web of everyone we've ever known? Everyone who's ever had to be a part of a team knows the value of a group's blend. That's what we call it in the choir world, at least. The way voices are able to meld into one another and sound like one. During rehearsals, we'll remind each other once, twice, maybe 20 times to please just remember to blend. Because in a group, the most beautiful sound comes from complete and total unity. In volume, in pitch, in the pronunciation of words, but most importantly, in community. For all 4 years, I found a home with our vocal department. A pattern persists. Rehearsing the week before a concert, when tensions are high and tempers bubble, every individual voice is audible. Maybe we're suddenly out of tune, or our volume is imbalanced, or we're not holding notes out for the right amount of time. The music doesn't fall apart because we lack talent, but because we stop listening to one another. We allow our frustrations and fears to get the better of us and compete to be heard, instead of intertwining into one blend. It's when we're finally up on stage together, we trust one another, and our kindness and patience permeates that our blend perfects itself. We earn a respite from our anxieties, but the fond memories shared at long rehearsals, the support we've given one another, and the friendships we fostered linger long after the curtain closes. Because blend stems beyond pure talent, it's impossible without community, and the willingness to rise with unity in the face of a collective challenge, leaving a legacy on one another just by being a valued part of a whole. But every community requires a blend to prosper. In the way that we carry our community, our collegiate family, with everything we do, we too remember to blend. When we reflect on our time here, we'll remember our talents and our academics and our accolades, yes, but what about the laughs we've shared, the shoulders we've cried on, or the offerings of a helping hand? Those memories and the values that they've instilled in us engrave themselves into the very essence of not only our beings, but also our peers, our teachers, and our wider communities. The legacies we leave are forged from the intertwining moments of our lives. Leaving a legacy isn't reserved for extraordinary moments that we dream could one day define the lives of the people around us. It stems from the everyday, etching ourselves into the minds of our communities so that our values permeate each other's lives without a second thought. When we choose to blend, to listen, to support, to grow together, we go far beyond fostering harmony. We create a community, and from that our community comes our legacy. Thank you.